Hey, what is up guys, Kabir, and in this video let's take a look at the review of the Huawei Mate 10 Pro that was recently released in the US few days ago, but I'm using this device from the past month, so this is my user review of this device. So let's take a look and enjoy the rest of the video. Before I start the review, our today's sponsor is Giant Trading Corporation. If you want to buy any device from them, link will be in the description below, go check them out. So first of all, let's talk about the build quality. Aesthetically, everything on the outside comes out exactly what the market asks for from a phone like this in 2018. Is the glass back and front panel, all the top end cameras. So on the top we have the IR blaster, and if you care about this, it is good for you. And on the front we have a 8 megapixel camera with an earpiece and the other sensors like proximity sensor, light sensor, and etc. And on the bottom we have the Huawei logo. On the right hand side we have the power button with the volume rocker, and on the left side we have a high-speed SIM tray which acts as a single trim or a micro SD card slot. And on the bottom we have the USB-C connector and the speakers, but sadly there is no 3.5mm audio jack. And on the back we have the dual 12 megapixel camera with Leica optics and a dual tone LED flash. Also another camera that has a monochrome sensor built into it for black and white images. Now let's talk about the screen quality. This device comes up with 6-inch of AMOLED screen with a 1080 by 2160 pixels, and being a 2018 phone, it has a 18:9 aspect ratio. This device produces very good colors, vivid colors, as you can see, and the outdoor conditions is very bright, as you can see from this video. This is the screen brightness up to 100%. Again, let's not forget about the fingerprint sensor on the back. Don't get me wrong, it works like a bullet every time, no complaint there. Another sad thing that I want to mention in this video is there is no wireless charging on this device just because of its metal bag. Being an $800 phone, there should be wireless charging, and also the bag is fingerprint magnet, as you can see from this video. It has smudges all over the place. Now about the performance section, where can I start? It has an octa-core CPU and the chipset is Kirin 970, which is Huawei specially made, and the Mali G72 GPU is very impressive when it comes to gaming. Also, it flies through every apps and everything when it comes to powerful usage like gaming, camera, and other applications. This unit has a 6GB RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage combined with it. As this is the review of Huawei's latest flagship, you can skip the camera. It has a dual camera on the back. One is 12 megapixel camera and one is the 20 megapixel sensor with Leica optics along with the dual tone LED flash. When you open the camera, it will detect the subject automatically thanks to the automatic scene detection modes, which is AI scene recognition as well. You can see that the camera can recognize the leaves of the plant that I'm shooting at and detects it quite easily. There are plenty of modes from HDR to manual to monochrome from choose from. You can see the shutter speed is fast and snappy, and the manual mode is fully functional. So I'll provide some photo samples of this camera later this review, so you can judge by yourself how good the camera is of this Mate 10 Pro. And on the front it has an 8 megapixel camera with f2.0 aperture which can support up to 1080p video recordings. So here are some photo samples that I've taken with this device, from low light to natural light to some extremely low light conditions, so you can understand how the camera performs. Now to talk about the software side of this device, The downside of all Huawei phones is its software. It has EMUI 8 out of the box with Android 8.0 Oreo on top of it. EMUI has its own optimization, but that's for another video. It has its own home screen layout and no app drawer, kinda like an iPhone and Xiaomi. You can use the custom launcher to avoid this kind of problem if you are not a fan of it, but if you are a Huawei user and use it all the time, so it is good for you. And last but not least, which has blown my mind away, is the battery life. It has a 4000 mAh battery in this slim body. As you can see from this video, I have gone around 2 days of battery life with normal usage, but if you are a heavy user, you will get easily 3 days of battery life with this 4000 mAh battery. And also there is an ultra saving mode. As you can see, you can enable it for more battery life. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. The Huawei 109 Lite unboxing and the review is coming pretty soon, so stay tuned with the channel and peace out.